So my second beauty fail is another perfume. Is this from Replica by Maison Margiela, and it's called Beach Walk. Let me tell you a little bit about this Beach Walk. This Replica Beach Walk by Maison Margiela. I bought the travel size. I'm gonna put the picture here. And it has notes of bergamot, ylang ylang, coconut milk. I don't really feel the coconut on this fragrance. And white musk. And also the travel size comes in a 0.34 ounces, 10 ml. And also is $32 for the travel size. This is $32, and with the 20% is less than $30. So it was good, the price is okay, but I didn't like the fragrance. The notes on the fragrance is, like I mentioned before, bergamot, ylang ylang, coconut milk, accord, and white musk. And this is a fresh fragrance. Scent type is fresh solar. I'm reading from the Sephora website. Keynotes are bergamot, heliotrope, and coconut milk. And this is a fragrance that described as a fresh scent inspired by salty air and rays of sun, which I think is true, where bergamot and pink pepper fused with lemon atop a floral perfume of heliotrope, coconut milk, and musk. I didn't feel the coconut milk, but I did feel the musk in all the fragrances. To me, this fragrance, when I close my eye, I imagine blue. When I smell it, I imagine blue. So I think the representation of the ocean and the salty water is good on this fragrance. I think everything is good, except I didn't like it. I didn't like it because to me it smelled too much like laundry soap. And I personally buy laundry soap fragrance free because I don't like that finish when the clothes are dry, when they comes out of the dryer, and that smell of white musk and the clean smell of the white musk, I don't like it. So I couldn't stand the fragrance on my skin. So I don't like to smell like laundry. I don't like to smell like laundry. I know a lot of people do, and a lot of people love this fragrance, but this fragrance wasn't for me. And I'm telling you the truth and why I didn't like it. I didn't like it because to me it smells like laundry soap, like laundry clean smelling. I don't really like laundry clean smelling. I like the smell of clean clothes, but I don't like the smell of the beach breeze from what they put on the laundry soaps. So that's why I buy my laundry soap fragrance free, and that's why I don't buy laundry softener, because I don't like that smell. If I want to put some type of fragrance to my clothes, I have a perfume, a laundry perfume, and I just put a few drops of that perfume to my laundry soap in the washer machine. And I usually do that for my husband's clothes because he likes his clothes with fragrance, and I don't. For me and for my kids, I don't use any fragrance for my clothes. But for my husband, I put a few drops of that laundry perfume, and that laundry perfume doesn't smell to white musk. So I didn't like the Replica by the beach. No, Replica Beach Walk. Oh, yes. Because it smells like laundry clean. So that's the reason why. And it's not that the smell is bad. I like it. I think I would prefer more like a home scent than a perfume for me. And I bought it because I wanted to try it, and I'm glad I already tried it, and I'm glad I purchased only the travel size. But I had to return it because I didn't want to keep it. So that is another beauty fail. And the next beauty fail that I had to return to Sephora is the Sol de Janeiro Bon Dia Bright Cream.